Welcome back to the Surf with Jello Show with Chef Frankie. We're here with a pressure washer. A pressure washer we got from Sunjoe. We made an unboxing and assembly video last night, posted to YouTube. YouTube doesn't have it. It's out there in cyberspace. But we're going to show you this. We're going to get going. It's an electric pump, pressure washer, whatever one wants to call it. The wand, the tips. We can see we got a dirty deck. And we're going to show you how we're going to do it. Got it plugged in, got the water going. We're going to do this. We're going to get going on this before it starts raining. This is what you put your cleaner into. We went by a big box store for cleaner. Yeah, well, they got millions of them. And they didn't know what was what. We got regular dish soap we're going to put in here. Going to put a good squeeze in there. Then we got some bleach. Pull tabs. That much. Can you see that? That's all we're going to use. Now it rained, so the deck's wet. And so, put this in here like so. You can see these tabs. Gonna go right here like so. Just like that. Then, we got to adjust the spray when we got it powered on and going by this knob right here, and also up here. That's how they make it. Then we got to take this one out. You know, they just don't make things easy no more. Well, here we go. We're going to power the unit on. It's powered up. Switch that. Look at that. Now that's coming up pretty good. We're going to get down here. 20-foot hose. Move you around over here. We want you to get a good look of what we're doing. And we didn't even use a lot of it yet. You see that? We haven't used a lot of it yet. So, and also, do not get it on the power source. That's the only power source here. But we're going to go down here. Woo! Smell that bleach. That's right. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Take a look. We're going to use it up. And use it up. Get you turned over here too. We're going to get this good. And you let off on it. Still got a little in here. We're going to use it up. Now we're going to let this soak for about 20 or 30 minutes. Get over here. Now you can see there's a little bit of water running. That's not bad. But we're going to use up on this wood. Choke it down. Choke it down. Let's get it down here. We want to see how far it shoots. Look at that. It shoots way down there. About 20 feet to 25 feet. It's all on that nasty green. There we go. I'm going to power it off. Release the pressure. There we go. There we go. Alright. Gonna let it set 20-30 minutes and we'll be back. Welcome back to the Surface Jello Show with Chef Frankie. We're going to show you what we got. Here we go. Now we use some dish soap and some household bleach for this. Got on the green, we're letting it sit. The power washer will plug into regular 110, 15, 20, whatever outlet it is here in America. But the washer itself, it's a Sunjoe. We tried tightening that up. Seems you can't tighten it too much. That's the on and off. The accessories. You put the wand in here. It's hooked when it's even still hooked up. When you store it, not using it, turning around. You seen this? The jug, the cleaning jug, goes right there. Different fan tips. I guess you can put the wand back here. It does not say. Now also, this thing. If you look inside here, that is a big wand. That's a big tip that oscillates. We'll have to pause this so we can get to it and show you. Now, the instructions for this machine is not good at all. So, that's why we're making the video. This part, in the instruction, it says that you put the zero tip wand into this, and you put a clamp on it, but you can't find the clamp. Well, they don't tell you that it's connected, and that's your wand, a zero tip. It's a zero pressure spinning around. And this, you're supposed to put it on whatever and doesn't let water go everywhere. Do not use this on your car. Those bristles are rough and will scrape up your vehicle. Boat the same way. House, decking, we're going to try it out. But that, they don't show connected to that. You take your zero tip, it does not adjust, it goes into here like so. And I drop it. Hey, whatever. Put it in here. Put it down. And then that plugs in to this. It's a quick connect. Ooh, that's a lot easier than what we've had to deal with this machine. This machine's being something else. If you look at that, that has to go into the other parts. And the chemical jug was the same way. It gets to be a pain. When we did commercial work, it was all this, quick connects. Alright, we're still waiting for this to dry up a little, seat in and do its job. We're going to be back. Thank you. We're back. We're going to fire this pressure washer up. We're going to show you and let you hear. Okay, just like this. Right here. That's it. That's it. Now, we got the tip on here to oscillate. And we're going to see how it does. We're just going to see how this does. Switch. Well, DJI don't want to switch. There we go. Alright, we're going to see this, how this does. When I unlock that. Look at that. Now you're going to get a close-up. We're going to do this as a close-up. You guys get to see this. Since I get this to work right. There we go. Well, as you can see, it does pretty good. There's still some dirt, but it's been on there for over 9 years. So we're gonna do some more as you take a rest. Here we go. We got the 15-inch fan tip in there. We're gonna show you what it does. Let me get this thing unlocked. We're gonna fire this up and see how it does. Oh, I had it unlocked. Yay, things happen. You know what? We're going to change this out. We're going to change this out. Since that's heavily stained, we're going to use 0 tip. Let's change this out. That's heavily stained. Gonna put this back down in here where it goes, the holder. Put this back in here. There we go. We're gonna do, since that's heavily stained, we're gonna use that one. We're gonna make this a lot better. A lot better. Let's move over here. Let's move over here. We're going to hit this big spots. Switch up hands. And we're going to see just how it works. Get some slack on this cord. There we go.